Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobiying Jompi.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jela ubak lakmen rembui hagasni balang jong ke sautarik ubnai jemang arajar arpuar ulah kerpat yaki Nonghikai School ad hoc bakin ai ke Jingshahniah hagas Sorkar ke barang bishar banyak bin babin yaki jingdawa bakila bu hakmat ke Sorkar. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ubak rembui ulaong baka Sorkar kam kuat ban syukular kai yaki Nonghikai kat ba anda la pentrai kam yaki mat jingdawa ke jingseu tulop kan slam beki arbat lai benai.
As a government, we are working to fulfill the aspiration of all the sections of the society, be it teachers, be it farmer, be it anybody. So, when the government is working on the process, so we have to trust each others. So if there is a mistrust between each others, so it will not reach anywhere. So trust is important. No issues could be solved overnight. Everybody want to give the best to the society. But having said that, it is not the question of one sector only. It's the question of the one sector affect the others. So the government will enhance with maximum which it could fulfill, because when we say enhancement, it's not the question of so that the question of receiving a salary after 3, 4, 5 months will not arise anymore. We have to commit to our own capacity which need to be done.